5 exercises that can help you stay fit in your 30s. Resistance training, according to the American College of Sports Medicine, facilitates muscular endurance and strength, promoting bone density and aiding in maintaining a healthy body weight. It is also said to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. It can include lifting free weights, body weight exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and planks. Yoga keeps you flexible, improves balance, reduces stress, and helps maintain a healthy body weight. Along with some yoga exercises, do not forget to meditate. Aerobic activities such as cycling are essential and should be integrated in your workout regime. The American Heart Association emphasizes that cycling helps reduce heart diseases and maintain blood pressure. Balance exercises gain importance as you age. These workouts are crucial for maintaining coordination, which typically diminishes with age due to lost muscle strength. According to Harvard Medical School, they reduce the risk of falls and injuries. Simple balance exercises like standing on one foot or heel-to-toe walks integrate well in your routine. Functional fitness reduces the risk of injury and improves the quality of life. These include push-ups, walking lunges, burpees, and many more.